Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, Inspired Naturally. Today is April 28th, 2020, and in Las Vegas, coronavirus still has us on lockdown. So, during the initial beginning of this coronavirus, I decided to dye my hair blonde, which is fine. My hair is healthy, it's growing, but there's this new growth and the dark roots with the gold is clashing. Now, I would usually get a haircut and it wouldn't bother me that much. I'll curl it up, make it look real cute. But it was bothering me. I couldn't get a haircut, I couldn't get it shaped, I couldn't get it tapered, I couldn't do any of that. So it pushed me into my weave transitioning sooner than I normally would go. And usually I would just throw on a little glue, some little gel over it to protect my edges and throw some glue on there. But this time I want to grow my hair out with edges. Like, I want edges. That's natural. That's what y'all see. My hair blowing in the fan. Oh, this is the fan. This hair is really light. So anyways, I want edges after this is all said and done. So I went and got a wig cap and I decided to do a weave. Not only just a weave, but a quick weave. Not only a quick weave, but a quick weave with hair extensions that are affordable. Not only a quick weave with hair extensions that are affordable, I also did a closure. Yes, that's a closure, guys. That's a closure, because I ain't got no leave out. I did that. At least I'm very proud, because this was my first time doing a closure, and I think I did good, guys. Like, I used not the Ghost Bond, not Got to Be Glued, but it's another one. I'll put the description of that, and I put the link to that in the description when I use. And it was hard to use. I ain't gonna lie, it was very hard. It kept getting taffy and white, so I kept rubbing it off. I didn't have no alcohol, so I had to get creative and use Thin Skin, which is for razor bumps, because our hair grows curly, grows in. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So I used Thin Skin to get it off, and that worked. And then I finally had to just let it air dry, clear, and then apply the closure. Now, I did mention that this hair was affordable. In the comments below, I'm gonna give y'all 10 seconds to tell me how much you think I spent on this hair. Now I'm gonna brush it so y'all can see it ain't nappy. But mind you, this is day 2. I'll come in with an update. It ain't nappy. It's light. Y'all saw it blowing with the fan. Y'all saw that little hair flowing. Okay. So I would say that's almost 10 seconds. So I gave y'all some time to put down how much y'all thought I spent on this hair. In total, for all the hair that is in, not even all, because I got some leftover hair, but for the hair in my head, on my head right now, I spent almost a little over $150 after taxes. And I got my hair off of Amazon. I got quick delivery, got here fast, still prime. Y'all keeping me I'm a very happy member. So for the hair itself, I went with a company called Hermosa. The hair came in this little pink bag inside the Amazon box. I said it did okay. That's nice. So I went with the Hermosa Straight. This is Brazilian human hair in natural black. It came with 4 bundles, 18, 20, 22, and 24 for the price of 118 bucks. Y'all know how expensive hair can be. Even at the beauty supply store, for this many bundles, I would have definitely spent, for this length, I definitely would have spent about $250 in the beauty supply store, if I'm going with Milky Way. And the good thing about this hair is I had leftovers. Like, this pack right here is a 22. It's a lot of hair left in here. So that's 22. I used all the 18. This is the 24. And this is the 20. When I use this again, I'm gonna use the same closure and get a second quick weave out of it. So let's split that in half. So really, I spent about $70 for each look. So budgetnista, here I am. So So Amazon is where I found it. That company on their hair had about 1,112 reviews with 4.5 stars. So I went with that. And as of today, day 2, I am happy. I will come in with updates to let you guys know how long this quick weave lasts. So then, my package fell. Be right back. I'm back. So for my closure that I did go with QT Hair. That's Q and a T with hair on Amazon. They too had very good reviews. I did this. This is 10A Brazilian Body Hair Swiss Lace Closure. I went with the medium brown closure because I am sun-kissed and I am melted chocolate Hershey Kisses, baby. So I went with the medium brown. So I'm gonna zoom in. Sorry, it's gonna get a little scary so you can see the closure. So that's the closure, guys. All I had to do was pluck this out, apply my foundation, which I say is a match. I trimmed the baby hairs because in real life I barely got edges, so I'm not gonna be brand new when I get a weave and do these big old swoops. So excuse me, I just did that and then I just swooped it over. That is all the cutting I did to this hair. So I want to show you while I'm zoomed in. It's very pretty hair. Very pretty hair. Hope you can see that. The ends on it, I did not cut them at all because that's when I get in trouble. When I start cutting, I get in trouble. That's the ends. And this is the ends on the 18. Now I put it in order. I did the 18-inch closure, all of the 18 pack extensions, half of the 20, 22, and 24, and it gave me natural, nice long layers. I did not cut because once I start cutting the hair, that's when I start messing up. So I wish you guys could really see this. These are the ends on there. Not so bad. I am not mad. I'm not mad. They're healthy. They don't tangle. It's not knotted. Let me stand up. Excuse my belly. Now let's watch how long it takes to go from top to bottom, because this is the longest hair I've ever had. So I'm gonna be acting out. I'm gonna show out. I'm gonna show out. Hey, I'm gonna show out. So this stops like at my waist. I'm not mad. Do I look bad? Nah. Look, 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 look. Y'all see you see the fam? This hair is beautiful. I don't have complaints. I'm really curious to see what happens with time and sweat and working out in elements. So zooming back out. That's about right, yeah. So guys, tell me what you think about the hair. And if you like what you see, if you want to know how I installed it, because I've been doing quick weaves for a while and I think I got it mastered, I will make a video for you. I will do my first tutorial to show you how to get a natural looking quick weave with a closure. I've seen some of them on YouTube and you know, I think I can contribute. Let me know what you think. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in. You guys stay safe out there, and hopefully I'll see you soon, and we'll be with a tutorial on how to get this look. Bye guys.